All right.
All right. Okay, so here we are. It's been a little over a week, like 8 days since I've inspected this hive and put the second deep on. And then I want to real briefly check and see if our queen has been released yet. No, we just did that yesterday, right?
Yes, we took up the date yesterday.
So all I'm going to do in this hive is check and see. Okay, they got one thing of water left. We need more sugar water in here. So we will do that either later tonight or tomorrow. That's fine. So with this one, this is going to be interesting because this is my first time doing a hive inspection with the second deep. Or if you remember right, this is called another brood. So we've got 2 broods on here. This is to get you know, that big full thing of bees going. Now this one is interesting because I can already tell they're not drinking nearly as much water. There's 3 full jars just about left. Secondly, I can look down here in the hole, and I only see a couple of bees instead of the usual whole bunch of bees right there. Okay, so however, if you look out front, you can see that they're actually quite busy and whatnot. Now they have been up here because this is already glued on with Proteus. If it's not nailed down, the bees will glue it in place with Proteus. All right, so I think I'm going to do, I'm going to use that, pull that up, see, all right. I am not 100% sure how to do this because I'm not sure, like, do I do the bottom one first? Do I do the top one first? I don't know. Anyways, but I'm going to go through these frames here pretty quickly because I'm expecting these to have some bees on them, but no real buildup. That one I'm going to set on the side. Actually, I'm going to double check and make sure none of these are my queen. No, they are not. So I'm going to set these on the side for a second. And I'm going to double check this one. Okay, again, nothing. All right. Okay, this one, also nothing. This one, you start seeing a little bit of wax build up there. Let me double check my queen is not on here. There's a lot more activity on that one, and they are starting to build wax on it. I have a feeling I should have waxed these frames, but I'm not positive. All right, there's a drone. All right. Put this one back. And I'm gonna grab this one out. Yep, you can see more wax on that one than the others. And I'm not seeing the queen on that, and that's fine. More wax, even more wax. That is good.
Well, it almost looks like they're ready to be filled.
Yeah, in fact, there's already some jelly or something in some of these. I'm looking, I don't see any eggs. That's okay. All right. Now let's check this next one. That one's even got more weight. I think that's just more bees, though. Nope, I can see a lot of jelly in there. Am I seeing eggs? I am not seeing eggs just yet. I'm going to double check again, and then let's look on that side. Okay. There's a lot of bees moving on that. But I'm not seeing my queen, and there's just too many bees over the top of it to see any eggs. But that is okay. There's a lot of activity at least, and I'm seeing some pretty good wax build up and that kind of stuff. So Let's keep going. Similar weight. Okay. Alright, Alright, again, there is quite a bit of wax here. And there's some jelly or something down there in the bottom of those. But again, not seeing the queen just yet. Now, am I seeing eggs in there? Are you seeing any eggs? Oh, there's a little drone cell or something right there starting. Okay, and then let's look on this side. Okay. Or if you can see, there's some that are sticking their heads down inside those cells right there. Good gravy, look at the size of some of these bees.
Oh, they're really big compared to usual.
Yeah. No, that's not her. Okay. Half expecting to see the queen in here. Alright, let's keep going. I've not seen her yet. Actually, you know what we can do? I just thought of this. I'm going to set this. Oops, up here. That way, here in a minute, I can put this deep down there. Now, have I already looked at this one? I don't think I've looked at this one. It feels a different weight. All right. So let's just peek. Oh, look at that. Is that her?
It might be actually.
No, I don't know. No, her wings go down too far. Now she's got a fully black butt like the queen does, but it's not as thin and long as the queen. I'm just curious here, what's going on in there? Okay. Oh. All right, let's peek at this other side. Okay. All right. Let's get this back in. And then this one here. Okay. And all right, some wax buildup. And then, like the other side, I'm not expecting hardly anything. There's a little bit of wax on that one. Let's just get a quick peek. All right, and then again, very little on the outside there. That's the last frame, so on the top deep.
Yeah.
All right, so now put this back, on all these back together, and put this back in here, and okay, so now a few more bees there, huh?
Just a few.
Okay.
They're building a big structure on top of it.
Yep, some burr comb of some sort. All right, so now, kind of like last time, nothing on that frame out there at all. They don't like that frame, evidently. Alright, now I need the tool. And part of what I'm going to need the tool for is I'm going to scrape that burr comb off because I don't want them building there. Alright. Again, they don't like this frame at all. It's not her. No, it's not. Okay. Alright. Slide that back in. Alright. Okay. Alright, what have we got here? Okay, I'm seeing lots of jelly. See if we can get close-ups on some of those cells. I can't see down inside of them very well. Alright, let's get the other side of this. And the other side has got almost nothing. Alright. Oh, there are some cells down there that have got some buildup and some jelly and stuff in them, but nothing much. Alright. Now, get rid of that burr comb if I can. Oops. Oh, my lovelies. Check the queen's nut on there. Alright, and then I'm going to set that actually right over there somewhere. Oops, that will have pissed them off right there. Sorry. Alright. This one I expect to be a little bit heavier. And I'm right.
Just a bit?
Just a lot heavier. Alright.
Alrighty, that is.
There you go, look at that. That is thick and fat. Alright, let's start with this side over here. Okay, so I'm seeing lots of nectar. Seeing some more burr comb down there. Are you seeing any capped brood?
I am not currently.
Okay. Alright, let's hope we see more capped brood here in a few minutes. I'm not seeing any capped brood. Alright, so now let's look at this side. Okay. Alright. So now, let's put this back in here. Alright. Next one. This one's actually not as heavy as the other one. Start on this side. There is some capped brood there, but not a lot. Right there in the center, I see one. Not seeing a whole bunch more.
Some is better than none.
Yep. There. I am not seeing a whole lot of jelly on that one, though. Okay. I'm not seeing eggs. There is some nectar and stuff. Okay. Let's look at this side. Oh, there's some capped brood. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's what I was looking for right there. All right. Maybe I just need better light on this or something. I don't know.
Maybe it's going to bring out like a light source for.
Yeah, maybe we should do that. Okay. Look at that. Big boy right there, though. Look at that. He's a beast. All right. Still not seeing the queen.
Unless that one earlier was the queen, in which case.
I don't think that was.
It looks like a very young queen, but I've been wrong before.
There we go. Okay, now let's push you and you back together. All right, let's get. Okay. That is a good looking frame right there. Lots of capped brood. There's some open that's got some jelly in it. There's a couple of drones hanging out on it. Yeah, I think this is a healthy frame right here. Get it square so you can see.
Yeah.
Okay. Some bees with some good pollen packs on them. And
on the other side, there's even more good news.
that is good. All right. So, yeah. That is a good thing. I'm not seeing the queen anywhere. Doesn't mean she's not there. It means I don't see her. That, as you said the other week, that is a unit of a bee right there. Good gravy. Okay. Now.
Sorry, the little yellow drop there.
Okay.
I just realized that. I was going to go taste it, and then I realized
You have a net.
I have a net over my face.
Yes, you do. Turns out.
We got figured.
All right. Let's get you up. And you up. And. Okay. Now this one does not have any capped brood. Boy, the bees are active.
quite.
Yeah, it's got a little bit.
Yeah.
It's got a little bit.
Overall, it's mostly uncapped.
I'm guessing, because this was capped brood last time, I'm guessing that a lot of those have hatched. They just haven't been laid out yet. Man, those bees are just busy. Oh, look at this! Look at this right here, down here on the bottom. That is a queen supersedure cell or swarm cell, one of the two. I think it's a supersedure. Or practice. I've learned that there are that the workers will practice growing queens occasionally, and I'm like, really? They practice that? But evidently they do. All right, my lovelies. Look at that. Okay, there's nothing in that. You can see that there's nothing in it, but it is definitely there.
It's a cell.
Yeah. All right. Let's peek on this side. Okay. And again, capped around the edges, but not in the middle. Again, I'm hoping that that means that that has hatched in the middle and they have emerged and are now currently attending the queen or something. That's a lot of bees.
Yeah.
What are they doing down here?
Down where?
Right in here. That's just... All right. There, we've got 3 more frames. We should do these pretty quickly and get these ladies back in their homes.
Yeah.
Less disturbed. Ah. Okay, come on. There we go. Okay. Come on. All right, let's take a look at this frame. Man, the bees are dense on there.
It seems like a lot of the same story as last time. A lot of cat brew down on the edges. And
Yep. Oh, and look at the one down here. Look at that. So that one is actually capped. Look at that.
Oh.
And then there's another one over here that is not capped. But that one is capped. That tells me that there is a queen in there. Let me just see if I can move them off of that. Okay. So what I am not sure of is, should we break that off or leave it alone? Oh, there's our queen. Look at that.
Wait, where?
Right there. I just saw her.
Oh, there's the pretty girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Big Mama. Okay, so we have confirmation that she is still alive and active.
Yeah. That's
All
good.
right, so all right, quick question for internets. That right there, should I cut that off? Should I leave that alone? I don't know. It's kind of thin. It is capped. I believe, since we did an inspection last week and I didn't see it there, I believe it's less than a week old, which means that we have a week to do something about it. But I will ask about that and make a decision. That is 3rd frame from the edge. There we go. All right. Now, look at these next 2. Push that out. Oops. Sorry, I just swatted a bee by accident because that was my finger slipped and it got in the way of the slippage. All right. Now, ooh, look at all that.
Oh.
That's been a busy lady right there. She has laid that one full. That is a pretty sight right there. That is all capped brood right there. Okay. And then let's look at this side again.
Oh. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. All right, so this tells me that my queen is nice and productive. She has been busy laying all that brood right, or laying all those eggs that is growing into that brood right there. We're going to let's just quickly put that back, and then the last frame real quick. Come on. Sorry, my lovelies. Come on, honey. Come on. All right.
So you got to.
I got it.
Yeah. No, there's a bee under your finger.
Oh. Oops. Now there's not. All right.
Yeah.
So there's still some cap brood over there.
A bit of air comb up in the.
What's that?
A bit of comb up in the.
Yep. A little bit of comb there. That I'm not worried about.
Yeah, it's fine.
I mean, it's... All right, and then lastly, good gravy, middle of the frame. Look at how big that guy is.
Which?
Right there.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
That.
The one that just said, "You're supposed to be in here." No, he's a bachelor, I'm guessing. Alrighty. So, I don't think that our queen has been up to the upper box just yet. That is okay. And I realize there's a bee just under there. Oops. Okay. Put all these very carefully back over here. Just going to move them slowly, slowly. I want all the bees to have plenty of time to move out of the way. I accidentally blew on them. Alright, there's a little more of that bird comb right there. Okay.
By the way,
Oh, oops. Got it. Okay. Oops. All right. Let's put this. Okay, now
there's one bee in the way, but yeah, it's on the left side. Well, you're right. You're good. You're good.
all right. There's that. And I can hear some of these bees over here getting angry, trying to get out. Because we kind of trapped them in there.
Just a bit.
All right. And now, ladies, you are on the wrong hive. I am so sorry. Get them moving. Oops. There we go. Okay. So now, put the lid back on here. Oh. It'd be useful if I put this back on. All right. I am very excited about that. Bees are expanding well into that upper brood box. Third frame from the right, there is a queen cell being grown. I'm going to ask my mentor from Snohomish Bee Company, Corey, if I should leave that alone or if I should cut that off. Real quick, I'm going to check on the queen that we put in here. Just, I mean, I realize it. No, you know what? No, I'm not going to do that because it was yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're not going to do that.
Yeah. Should be free around Tuesday or Wednesday.
Yes. Great. Okay. So with that, thank you very much, Internet, for tuning in, watching yet another trying to figure out what this beekeeping thing is all about bee inspection.